Hello guys, I saw this girl on YouTube. She said, "Thank you for my likes and subscribers, America, South Africa." But even though I don't subscribe to her channels and stuff like that, you see, and I am South Africa. I live in South Africa. So I don't know our background because I worry about my background. Then this is a white girl. She wear big people's makeup, like big people's makeup. You see, lashes, lipstick. She wear nice clothes. I actually like a little bit how she, you see, clock it. And then I don't know what to sing now right now. So okay, I'm gonna go to part 2, and then I'm gonna tell you my little secret.